Hi, and welcome to Connor's Kitchen. Today we'll be making stir fry. Now, the most important part of any stir fry is the rice, so make sure you got a lot of it. And remember that rice expands, so always cook more than you think you're going to need. That way, you're definitely going to have almost enough food. If you're like me and didn't know how to cook rice before, just take whatever container you filled up the rice with and put twice as many of water into the bowl or the pot, because that's what cooking people do. And then you'll be good. And just cover that shit up and bring that motherfucker to a boil. Motherfucker. Now we're going to come back to the rice and move on to the vegetable portion of the programming. And tonight we have broccoli and cauliflower and carrots. And we're going to chop those guys in. No, I really have no idea how you're supposed to slice cauliflower, so just I don't know, cut it up into areas that are flat. This is really difficult with one hand. Warm up the biggest frying pan you own, and then put in some kind of vegetable oil. You want a decent amount? I don't know. Any vegetable oil will work. Today we're using avocado oil. What? Okay, I guess. Okay, yeah. Throw the cauliflower in there and just let it simmer on kind of low for a little while, and then, it'll be just fine. Oh shit, the rice is boiling! Fuck. Okay, so what you need to do is just turn down the rice to a simmer, and then leave it, I don't know, leave it there for 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Our broccoli doesn't chop very well, so here's a PSA. Just skip the broccoli. Don't buy broccoli. You don't want it. Add in the crappy broccoli and then just stir the stuff around. Just stir as you go, or make sure that it's not on very high, because then you don't have to worry about that, and a little bit less stress for everybody. Chopping carrots is definitely the easiest and most satisfying part of this whole venture, except for eating it, obviously, but there's something about just how easily they cut. Freaking love it. Now that you've got all your vegetables in there, all looking nice and stuff, it's time to add some salt and pepper for flavor. Or if you're like me and you don't like flavor, we're just not going to do that. So skip that part for now. Now it's time to add our meat substance. Today we're having ham because we have some left over and it's going to go bad. Always buy cooked ham, because then you're less likely to die. We've been rudely interrupted by the timer of the rice. So when the timer is done of the rice, your 15 minutes has been cooked of the simmering. It is simmer for 15 minutes. Now you turn off the stove and then take it off of the heat and then let it chill for another 10 minutes. You can slice or dice your ham. I did a bit of both because I have commitment issues. And then just go ahead and throw her in the frying pan with all the rest of that shiznit. And then, yeah, and then you realize that you have to put rice in here somehow. So now that the rice is simmering and everything's happily in the frying pan, look up how to stir fry rice, because you've never done this before. This is a prop. This one doesn't actually work. Check to make sure your vegetables are done by just taking one and eating it. Be sure to grab them right out of the pan so that they're boiling hot and burn your mouth. Ow! By the way, we got no information online about what to do with the rice, so we're just gonna fucking put that shit in there. The good news is I'm pretty sure we made enough rice, because yeah, we'll be fine. I'm thinking we're going to add more avocado oil to the pan. Maybe the rice won't burn. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Just keep stirring that until you think it's done. I think it's done now. I don't know if frying the rice actually did anything. Maybe you weren't supposed to fry the rice. If you know, hit me up. Yeah, so there you have it. Just throw it all in a big ass bowl and then, add some soy sauce if you're into that. I am, because, salt is bae. And yeah, then just freaking enjoy. So that was episode 1 of Connor's Kitchen. Send me some reviews. My managers don't know if they're going to renew it for a second episode, so if you don't get me good viewings, then we're probably not going to do a second episode. So hook me up, fam. We want to get more in here.